Hey everyone, it's Caitlin McGarry with Gizmodo. So Samsung just gave me their newest foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Flip, which is out right now. But I only have 24 hours with the device, which is not a lot of time. So I plan to use it as my main phone for the next day and let you know everything there is to know about it. Don't worry though, my pal Sam Rutherford will have a full review of the Galaxy Z Flip once we've spent way longer than a day with it. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so I've been using the Galaxy Z Flip for a couple of hours now of the 24 hours that I have to spend with it. And so far, I really like the design. It feels very sturdy and very high-end. I don't feel like I'm gonna scratch the glass with my fingernail, which is kind of how I felt with the foldable plastic displays that we saw on the Galaxy Fold and the Motorola Razr. I felt like I could nick the Razr's screen with my fingernail if I pressed hard enough. But the Flip screen feels like any other glass phone. Feels fine. I do find it really difficult to open and close this thing with one hand, which could be problematic in terms of, accessibility purposes for people who might struggle with something like this. So it would be nice for there to be a way to open and close it with just waving your hand or some sort of gesture. There is a crease still, which isn't really all that noticeable when you're using the phone, but when the screen is dark, you can definitely see it right there. And I also don't love that this thing is a fingerprint magnet. I have the black version and yeah, don't love it. The struggle to open this is honestly kind of extreme. But that's why Samsung built this notification screen on the outside of the device, which is useful because you can see notifications like, oh, someone replied to my Instagram story. And it is nice to see that, but so far the notifications are just kind of scrolling too quickly for me to read them, and I'm not finding it that useful yet. So last night I took the Galaxy Z Flip to a Dashboard Confessional concert, of course, and actually managed to capture some kind of cool low light videos and photos, and I didn't drop it, which is amazing. It fit really well into the tiniest pocket that I have, which is on my leather jacket, and that's a feat because literally nothing fits in there except a tube of lipstick. So good job, Galaxy Z Flip. Well, it's Saturday morning. My 24 hours with the Galaxy Z Flip are almost over. I'm actually a little sad about it. I really like this phone a whole lot more than I anticipated that I would based on the Galaxy Folds, which I just didn't love. The fact that a giant phone unfolds into a tablet is just not that appealing to me. But this size is perfect. And I really thought that everything about it was really high-end. The glass feels way more premium than the Motorola Razr's plastic screen does. And I didn't drop it once, which is honestly kind of amazing. I don't know what the case situation is going to be for this, but I imagine it'll be kind of challenging. I really liked it. I don't know if I $1,400 like it, but so far it's really impressed me more than I ever thought it would. And I'm really curious to see if Apple has anything planned along these lines. So stay tuned for a full review, and thanks for following along.